Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am Brittany, aka Beautifoles. For today's video, I wanted to take a break from my makeup tutorials. I was just feeling a little uninspired recently, and I've been really loving my hair. I don't know if it's the color or just the way that I've been doing it, but so I figured I would film a hair tutorial. Sorry, I keep like looking at my hair in the mirror just because I just love how natural and beachy and kind of effortless it looks. If you would like to learn how to get these nice and soft beachy waves, please keep watching. If you liked what you saw, you know the deal. Give it a big thumbs up below, subscribe below, comment below. If you have any requests for future videos, go ahead and leave that down in the comment section below as well. Doesn't necessarily have to be tutorials. If you want to see me do some challenges, if you want to see me just do whatever you want, list that down below. That's about it. I will see you guys at the end, and I really hope you enjoy. Bye. Okay, so let's get started. What I usually like to do is kind of put my fingers down the center of the back of my hair and kind of just split it in half. And we can just put one side in a little ponytail for now, just to keep it out of the way. So I am going to use this T3 curling iron. So I'm going to start in the back, and I'm just going to take these little pieces and I clamp, kind of pull and twist. So I'm twisting away from my face, and then I'm going to alternate kind of every other one for the whole back half of my face. And I like to leave a little hair at the end just so that you can get that straight stringy pieces that look a little bit more beachy. And then once it's curled, I kind of put it to the back so that I don't have to worry about that again. So I'm going to go every other piece away towards my face. Now this one is going to be towards, so now the clamp is in the back. I clamp, kind of pull a little bit, twist, and then loosen it up a little bit till I have about an inch on the end, twist again, and release. Take that curled piece and put it behind. So I'm just going to continue to do that for all of the hair that's behind my ears. The hair that's in front of my ears I'm going to have go away from my face, but we'll get to that soon. So we're just going to alternate every other one with the pieces that I pull. Now all of this hair is pretty much in front of my ears, so I just want to curl it all away from my face. So I'm going to do the same thing, take these little pieces, but now I'm just going to make sure that they're all being curled the exact same way. So the clamp's going to be in the front and you're going to curl it away from your face. So now that this side of my hair is all curled, I just want to let it cool and set with the Tresemme Micro Mist. This is a very light texture spray, and it's just going to kind of hold it in place. I don't want to brush it out yet. I just want to kind of let it set. Okay. Now we are going to do the other side, same exact thing. Okay, now I let my hair cool for a little bit. I haven't really touched it. I just let it set with that Tresemme Micro Mist. And I'm just going to turn around so that you guys can see what my waves look like once I brush it out. I feel like this is a key step that a lot of people just skip over, but it makes it look so much more natural and beachy than these tighter ringlets. And so when I went every other one in the back, it'll kind of blend instead of all of it going the same way, if that makes sense. So I'm going to turn around and comb through with a wide tooth comb just to break apart those curls. So now that you saw the back get combed through, I am going to comb through the front as well. And you can see it just loosens up all of those curls, and it just gives such a nice natural beachy wave. All right guys, you made it to the end. I really hope you enjoyed. I think it's pretty simple. If you guys do your hair like this, definitely let me know. If you have any tips for me, obviously I'm not a hairstylist, so if you have any tips on how I can make this whole situation a little bit better, go ahead, let me know below, but this is just what I've been doing recently. That's about it. If you liked what you saw, you know the deal. Give it a big thumbs up below, subscribe below, comment below. If you have any requests for future videos, go ahead and leave that down in the comment section below as well. Be sure to follow me on all of my social that I will list next. And that's about it. I will see you guys next time, and thank you so much for spending your time with me. Bye!